डिटरमाइनर्स, ये भी क्या था हमने, कंपाउंड जो कि इनमें से किसी भी दो के कॉम्बिनेशन से बनता है, राइट। जैसे हमने इसका बीन होता है, इसमें हैव आता है, और हमने इसमें क्या था, हैव बीन आते हैं सेंटेंस में हमारे परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस में, हैव बीन प्लेइंग, हैड बीन प्लेइंग, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन दिस अप टिल हियर, ओके। This was the entire topic which we have completed. Now the last part was left. That is the second part of the helping verb which was left was modals. Okay?
Modals. Yes.
Now the last is which was left is modals. Okay. Now what is the use, or why do we use these modals in the sentences? We use these modals to express the modes of verbs. Why do we use? To express the various means different
Excuse me, ma'am.
modes of verbs. Yes. Yeah.
मैम आपने मुझे पीडीएफ भेजी थी ना इंग्लिश चैप्टर की.
Yes, Ramni.
तो मैम वो ओपन ही नहीं हो रही, उसमें बता रहे
Okay,
हैं.
I will show you right now. Okay.
मैम ऐप डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा उसके लिए कुछ.
Okay, I will show you.
ओके मैम, यू शो.
Okay. Modals are used to express the various modes of the verbs. Okay. How? And if we come to the examples of modals, we all know the examples are can, could, shall, should, may, might, ought to, okay, need. So ought to, need, dare, and will. I have given will. Okay, will, would, and will, would, dare to, and used to. Used to. These all are the modals which we use in our sentence to express the modes of the verb. Like if I say also, we will be learning about these each modals in detail also when we will move into the topic modals. Now, for example, you can say can and may. Now, why do we use, what is the use of these modals in a sentence? We use this modals in a sentence to take permission, okay, or can to show the possibility. It can rain today, and it can also be said it may rain today or it might rain today. But the difference is come how much more possibility. That is the difference from that. When we use may, it means we are more showing the more possibility of an event to occur. Okay, so these models which we will be are used to express the various modes of verbs. We also can say in this sentence like I can do this work. By looking into this, see this in this sentence, I can do this work. Can is what? Modal. Now, what is the use of this modal? It is used, and do is the verb which is used to show the form of verb, various modes of verb, and it is showing that I can do this work. When this can is used in this sentence, it is showing the ability. It is used to show what? Ability कि मैं ये काम कर सकता हूँ. Next, it may rain today. Now in this we have used the modal may. Okay, it may rain today. Now this modal may in this sentence is used to show the possibility. Okay, it is used to show the possibility. Similarly, we can use we use all these modals in this sentence to show the various modes of the verb. Again, may and it may rain today. Rain is the verb and it is the modal which is used. It is modal and it is the verb in the sentence which is used. Okay. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
This is only what we will learn we will be learning them in detail in the next in the lesson when we will pick up this models chapter as a lesson, as a separate lesson, entirely different. Okay, is it clear? Now it
Yes, ma'am.
okay. I want to let you know one more important thing is that many times these primary
Ma'am,
auxiliary verbs and modals
ma'am,
can be combined. Yes,
मैम आज आप एक्सरसाइज कराओगे या स्क्रीन शेयर?
yes. No, I will. We will do the exercise, and then I will share the screen also with you. Okay. Okay. Now, one important point to be noted is that many times these modals and primary auxiliary verbs can be used together. Now, when these both are used together, then they are used to form the negative sentences, and question sentences. Okay. Now, when these modals and primary auxiliary verbs are used together, then they are used to form the negative sentences and the question sentences. For example, don't ask me silly questions. Now see, don't ask me silly questions. If you say in this sentence, don't ask me, it is a negative sentence. Okay. Now in this we have used the model. In this what we have used? Don't. Okay. So this don't, because we are using in this negative sentence. So modals and primary auxiliary both are used. Another important is have you finished your work? Have you finished your work? In this have, okay, is the primary auxiliary verb and finish is the main verb. Okay. So this is one important note which you should only know, that when modals and primary auxiliary verbs are used, they are used to form the negative sentence or the question sentences. Okay. Is it clear, 7th class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we start with the exercise, all of you?
Yes,
Yesterday I also told you
Yes, ma'am.
to solve the exercise as much as you can do, solve it yourself. Okay. So I hope you might have solved. You all can open page number.
ma'am. मैं दूसरे
Yes.
डिवाइस से ज्वाइन कर
Page number 141. What?
मैम मैं कह रही थी मैं दूसरे डिवाइस से ज्वाइन कर रही हूँ तो आप मुझे एडमिट कर
Okay. Yeah. Now we will be solving the exercise now. Page number 141. Okay. The first exercise is, in this you have to fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given. Okay. Bad company dash a Quirvine evils. Dash bad company dash a Quirvine of evils.
I wanted to ask that qual G
Ma'am,
word is
Is the worst of the
QUAGMIRE.
It is the worst of the evils. Bad company सबसे बुरा सबसे worst
Okay.
evil है.
मैम
Okay.
fainted.
No, fainted. Bad company.
मैम फेंटेड तो बेहोश होता है.
So bad company. See, you translate the meaning of the sentence. बुरी कंपनी जो होती है वो सबसे हर बुराई की सबसे वर्स्ट होती है. And what do we call है in English?
Is या फिर was.
Is क्योंकि ये चीज जो was, we will not use was because ऐसा नहीं है था कि बैड कंपनी पहले ही बुरी होती थी, बट टुडे आल्सो ओके इट्स अ फैक्ट कि बुरी कंपनी जो होती है सबसे बुरी इवल होती है, तो ये फैक्ट है. इन फैक्ट वी यूज ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट टेंस. आपने पढ़ा होगा सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट यूज ऑफ द सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इज दैट इट इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस habitual actions and the facts. Okay, what the fact which are habitual वो होते हैं, it is used for. Next is the pilgrim could not complete his journey as he dashed on the way.
Fainted.
On the way. Fainted on the way.
Fainted.
Very good. Third is the chief minister was dashed over a meeting.
Presiding.
Presiding.
Presiding. Very good. Very good. Presiding. Next is food and water dash is alive.
Keep us alive.
Presiding.
Keep us alive. Next is who dashed the first president of India?
Was.
Very good. It is was. Next is every sepoy dash a
Had.
gun. Had a
Sheep. Sheep.
had a.
Had a gun.
Next, can anyone help me? I dash in trouble.
I am.
Am.
Very good. Next is teachers dash the future of the pupils.
The shape.
Shape.
Shape. Okay. So very good. You all have given the right answers. Okay. Next one is on page number 142. Come on, page number 142. Okay. In this, there is a paragraph given. That is a passage given, and you have to identify that the verbs which are in bold, which of these verbs are transitive and intransitive. Again, transitive which require an object to complete its meaning, and intransitive which do not require an object to complete its meaning, and also intransitive verbs are followed by adverb or prepositional phrase. Okay, so I'll read out the paragraph. Cinema, a marvel of science, is a wonderful medium of creativity and enterprise. It not only entertains but also educates the viewer in many ways. Now, entertain is what? It is transitive or intransitive?
I'm transitive.
It is transitive. It not only entertains but also educates the viewer.
मैम educate और entertain दोनों transitive है.
Very good. First, educate and second, entertain. Both are
Transitive.
transitive. Okay.
मैम नीचे ए बी और ये सारे लेटर्स दे रखे उनके आगे उनकी वर्ड्स पे लिखना है ना.
You can write. Yeah, you can write. Next is it dash amusement by showing comic situation. It provides amusement by showing amusement.
Intransitive.
Transitive.
Transitive.
I'm transitive.
Because ask the question. It provides. What does it provide? हमको पता है कि वो देता है. हमको क्या पता क्या देता है? Amusement देता है. So provide means an object.
लिखना है क्या?
What?
मैम
Nothing, ma'am, nothing.
लिखना है क्या?
You have to write down these answers. Yes. Okay. It provides an amusement by showing comic situation, relieves stress by evoking various emotions.
Transitive.
Okay. It is also transitive. It is also transitive. It relieves stress by evoking various emotion and helps in generating the public sentiments on the topical issues. Okay, it
मैम
also
help क्या होगा?
I'm asking others to who all. It also helps in generating public sentiments.
Ma'am, transitive.
Very good. It is also transitive. Okay, and it creates great impact through its visually appearing presentation on any subject whatsoever. It creates is also transitive. It is also transitive because if you will ask the question before these verbs, the answer is needed. That is, an object is needed. Next is At the same time, cinema forms the means of livelihood.
Transitive.
It is transitive. It's transitive. Next, people who work passionately for a multitude of creative people who work passionately to bring their art to life through cinema. Anybody?
I'm
It is
transitive.
intransitive.
Intransitive.
It is intransitive because it is describing the verb. It is intransitive because this verb work is being described. That is by adding an adverb passionately. काम करते हैं passionately यानी बिल्कुल लगन से. ओके तो जो passionately जो वर्ब के बाद है वो उस वर्ब को डिफाइन कर रहा है. इट इज एन एडवर्ब. ओके now come to the next exercise, page number 143. Page number 143. Literally write in this paragraph, you have to identify whether the verbs in the bold are finite or non-finite. You all know what are finite verbs? Which change? Okay, the finite
Yes,
verbs
ma'am.
which change with a change in the subject and tense, and non-finite which do not change with respect to the change in subject and tense. Okay. Okay. The literary writers can play a remarkable role in changing the society.
Finite.
In this first one, play. Can you tell me what is this play? Is it finite or infinite?
Finite.
Very good. It is finite. Second, changing.
Finite. Finite.
No. Non-finite. Now I will tell you why. Just listen to it. Literary writers can play a remarkable role in changing the society. Okay. Now I am changing the subject. I can play an important role in changing the society. She can play an important role in changing the society. Now subject was being changed. The person was being changed. But the word changing has remained same in all the three sentences.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So this changing word which is not changed with the change in the subject is an infinite, non-finite or infinite word.
Okay, ma'am.
In this age of media, cinema, television, radio and yellow press, there are not many writers. R is what kind of verb?
I'm finite.
Very
Finite.
good. It is finite. Okay. Next is have dared to. Have dared to. Writers, many writers who have dared to.
Finite.
Very good. It is also finite. Next is who have dared to stand by the courage of their convictions. Stand by.
Finite.
I'm non-finite.
Yes.
Very
Non-finite.
non-finite.
It is non-finite. Okay. Because see, if you can say many writers who have dared to stand by the courage, many writers who have who have dared to stand by the courage. So this word courage
Excuse me, ma'am.
and remains the same. Yes. Yes,
मैं
Shani.
142 पेज में ने लास्ट वाले में क्या लिखा है?
Intransitive. Okay, next is
ओके मैम.
who is going to educate the readers or the people then?
Finite.
Who is Oh, it's finite. Who is going to educate the readers? It's a question. Who is going to educate? Am I going to educate the readers? Are you going to educate the readers? The one is
finite.
changing. It is
Transitive है ना?
non-finite. It is
Finite.
non.
और सारे ट्रांजिटिव है.
Yes. Next
मैं
is
सिर्फ लास्ट वाले
yes,
इंट्रोड्यूस हुए.
yes,
मैम
Chandni.
F वाला मैम F
Yes.
वाला समझ नहीं आया.
Okay. Yes, Chandni. All are transitive, only last is intransitive. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Susan. Which one?
मैम F. मैम 6.
Educate. You change the subject. Who is going to educate? If you will change the subject, it's called educate will change. Okay.
Okay, मैम.
It is very probable that
Finite.
Finite.
मैम
it is
finite.
finite. It is
Finite.
finite. Finite. Okay. It is very probable that the pot-bellied politicians,
मैम finite ही आएगा.
pot-bellied, it is very
मैम
probably that the pot,
non-finite.
it is non-finite.
Non-finite.
सच्ची बताओ मुझे कभी समझ में नहीं आ रहा नॉन फाइनाइट फाइनाइट.
Which one?
मैम नॉन फाइनाइट और फाइनाइट बहुत कंफ्यूजन है.
Okay, now what you do is, I will share the notes. Now you just go through the notes once again very clearly, and what I will do is that in the tomorrow's class I will give you one exercise. I will make one exercise for you on this verb: finite, non-finite, transitive, intransitive. I will give you one exercise, okay? And
मैम
what you all
मैम
can do is, see, Sujal, let me complete it. Okay. And what you all can do is, you just, I'll share the screen with you. You just take the screenshot of that exercise, okay? And then you try to solve that exercise at home yourself after going the notes, and then we will discuss. And I am sure that after doing that exercise, you will surely be able to understand this topic. And we know that finite and non-finite are the verbs with change, with a change in subject and with a change in tense. Okay. Now what you can do is that just try to change the subject. Try to change the tense of the verb which is in bold, and then you see whether any change has occurred or not. If the change occurs, you can say that it is finite, and if the change does not occur, you can say that it is non-finite. Is it clear? Is it clear, Palak, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Palak? Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, next is exercise on page number 144. Page number 144. Okay, this is fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the verbs supplied in the bracket. Also mention whether they are regular or irregular. Okay. First is when I dash a boy of 10. The first
And I
verb in the bracket is be. It is was. Now can you tell me it is regular or irregular?
Irregular.
It is irregular. Irregular are those.
Irregular.
What are regular and irregular? Regular are one which add ed and t to form their past and past participle form, and irregular are those who make the changes in the
Past
make
and
the-
past.
who make the changes in their present form of verb to form their past and past participle form. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next one is when I was a boy of 10, I joined I dashed in
Joined.
Sainik school. You can give me the answer.
Joined.
Okay, I joined, and also it is regular or irregular.
Regular.
Regular.
Give me the reason. Okay, give me the reason why it is regular.
Ma'am, because it is ending with D.
It is not ending with D. Actually, it is adding ed
ED.
to form its past form. Okay.
Participle.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. So now I can easily imagine that it is. You can easily understand. It is irregular. Second is join.
सर लिखना है कि
And
हमको बहुत सी बात irregular join के
yes, you will write. Okay, next is 10 minutes are left. I have to give you the notes also. Okay. There I dash train with the others and dash to face the future in a better
I
and
was trained.
was trained. Very good.
I
It
was trained. Regular.
trained. It is
Regular.
regular. Okay. It is regular with others and learn.
I was
Learned.
Very good. It is
Regular.
and it is
Regular.
no, it is irregular. Okay, the next one is F1. In the there
Why it is irregular?
Irregular. Okay, it is regular.
Yes.
हम आस्था पूछ रही थी कि लर्न रेगुलर क्यों होगा?
Learn.
मैं
इसमें
पूछ रही
T
थी
आ रहा है
learn
ना? We are adding T ना?
irregular क्यों होगा? मैम आपने irregular लिखा था ना पहले इसलिए.
Okay, it is regular. Sorry. Okay.
यस
The
मैम.
next one is next one is
रेगुलर
a
मैम थर्ड वाले पे
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
लिखा है
regular. Was train regular.
मैम थर्ड वाले पे क्या लिखा है
Chandni. Third one is was
वाले में
train
क्या है?
regular. And the next one is there all the hostlers were dashed awakened by the siren.
मैम
Awakened and it is
irregular
regular.
Regular.
Six is all they were awakened by the siren that dashed at 5:30 a.m. sharp.
मैम
Hmm?
मैम देखो मैम एक बार थर्ड वाले वापस रिपीट कर लर्न
अभी आप देखो इसके स्क्रीन पे देखो वॉज ट्रेन है. Yes.
मैम वहाँ पे लाइट का रिफ्लेक्शन आ रहा है थर्ड वाले पे बस.
It is was trained, beta. It is was trained. Just a second. Now here.
Yes मैम.
Yeah.
मैम लर्न में ईडी नहीं आया तो उसमें रेगुलर क्यों लिखा है
It is T, beta. We add ED or T.
यस
For
मैम.
regular, we add ED or T. Okay. Next
ओके
is
मैम.
by the siren that dashed at 5:30 a.m. sharp. That was blown 5:30 sharp, and it is what? Which one?
Regular.
irregular.
Irregular. Next is seventh one. Having dashed some good physical exercise, having take. Give me fast.
मैम ये वाला नहीं आया.
Having take some good physical exercise, यानी अच्छी एक्सरसाइज करने के बाद having taken.
टेकन.
Or it is what kind of work?
Irregular.
irregular.
Having taken some good physical exercise, we marched to the mess. It is marched. Now it is what?
Regular.
Regular.
It is regular. Okay. So this is the exercise of this topic which is given in your book. I know you find it verb a bit difficult. So especially for this topic verb, I will give you an exercise also again tomorrow in the class, which you can solve it. Okay.
मैम अभी 5 मिनट्स बचे हैं. स्क्रीन शेयर कर दो.
Yes, I will show. I will show you. Okay. I will share the screen with you.
Yes, ma'am. English
Shamini, I know, beta. I know. I am sharing, okay? See, this is a verb, okay? Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start taking it fast, beta. Everybody.
Please zoom it out a little bit.
Shamini, I cannot do it for you.
मैम ऊपर करो.
Take it. You have to take it in the same way, okay?
मैम थोड़ा
Okay?
zoom out कर दो.
मैम थोड़ा ऊपर करो ना.
मैम थोड़ा zoom कर दो फिर पूरा दिख जाएगा.
मैम ऊपर करो.
Yes. Taken.
Yes, ma'am.
It is entirely the same which we have done in the class also.
मैम मैंने पिछले वाले का स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं लिया.
Sujal,
अभी आगे बार आता हूँ.
rest, please mute yourself, all of you. Okay, done, Sujal?
मैम 1 minute. Yes, ma'am, done.
मैम ऊपर कर दो.
Shamini, try to take it fast. Done?
मैम आप साइलेंट हो.
Be quick, I have.
मैम टेकन.
Next, please.
Done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. मैम मेरे पास फाइनाइट और नॉन फाइनाइट पता नहीं क्यों नहीं है.
वो लास्ट में बता देना.
Okay, taken?
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
modals के example.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now this is of the answers which we have done in the class, okay? If you want, you can take it, but we have already discussed and I hope everybody has written also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
But still I am showing you, if you want, you can take a screenshot. Okay, done? I'm showing you now.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll show you.
Ma'am, done.